So hi guys, as you saw, today we are going to make paper puppets. So let's get started. So first we have to take a paper and fold it like this. Now we have to take another paper and fold it like the previous one, but this time it should be a little smaller. Cut the end of the smaller one and fold them both in half. This is how they will look like, and now we have to take the trace of the jaw, extend them and cut it out. Now fold it normally or just as I am doing. Then we have to glue it on the base which we made. Take the trace again and do as shown in the video. Stick it in the base and cut the leftover part again. Repeat all these steps with the lower jaw, cut 2 rectangles and do as shown in the video. Stick these two parts of the base together with this paper from both the sides. We are now done with our base. Let's move towards the design. Design your own dragon and let's stick it on the base. Firstly, we have to stick the lower part of the dragon's face and then the upper part. Do the same with the other side. It's done, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.